In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove photos from an album in OneDrive, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your album so that only the images you want to keep are there. No more clutter and more organization in your OneDrive. Whether you're using OneDrive for personal photos, work projects, or sharing family trips, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each part so you can manage your cloud collection with total confidence. Let's jump right in. First, we'll be working with OneDrive Online, so you'll need to start by signing in to OneDrive.com. You'll want to use either your personal or work account, depending on where your photos are stored. If you haven't signed in lately and forgot your password, don't worry, there's a simple password reset option right on the sign-in page. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard with all your files and options just a click away. To get to your photo albums, look over at the left-hand navigation pane. There you'll see a tab labeled Photos. Click on that. This is where OneDrive conveniently gathers all your images in one place, making it easy to browse, search, and organize. But we're interested in the albums specifically, so up near the top, you'll find an Albums tab. Go ahead and click on that next. Think of albums as digital photo books you've created, each one separate for birthdays, vacations, work events, and so on. Find the album you'd like to tidy up and click on it to open. Now, just a heads up, albums in OneDrive don't physically store copies of your photos. Instead, they work more like playlists in a music app. So deleting a photo from an album won't delete it from your entire OneDrive. It simply removes it from that album's lineup. This is a fantastic way to curate your albums without worrying about accidentally losing your files. Inside the album, you'll see all your photos laid out as thumbnails. Notice the little circle in the upper corner of each thumbnail. That's your selection tool. When you hover your mouse over a photo, that circle appears ready to be clicked. Click it for each photo you'd like to remove. If you only want to remove one, that's fine, or you can click multiple for a bigger cleanup. You'll see each photo highlight with a checkmark as you select it. Take your time here, there's no rush. If you make a mistake, just click the checkmark again to deselect a photo. Once your selections are made, your next step is at the top of the page. There's a toolbar running above the album. In this bar, look for the option that says Remove from Album. It should light up as soon as you've selected at least one photo. Click on this, and OneDrive will quickly remove those selected photos from your album. Remember, those images aren't deleted from your OneDrive, just taken out of this particular album's view. It's a bit like rearranging photos in a real-life photo book. You can always go back, add more, or remove more whenever you want. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've decluttered your album and made it reflect exactly what you want. If you didn't see the changes at first, you might need to refresh the page. If this walkthrough helped you get your photos organized, please take a second to like the video. It really makes a difference. If you run into any trouble or you have follow-up questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.